Hi lovely people, welcome back to my tutorial for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate. And please, if this is your first time, kindly help us by hitting on that red icon to subscribe, and also touch the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please help us by watching the edges, okay, so that it will give us the morale to continue sharing our ideas with you. Okay, so now today's class we shall be looking at how to make a very beautiful rose sleeve. Then here I have my satin fabric. This is what I'll be using for the casing. Okay. Then I have my dove. Sorry, my scuba. This is light scuba. So this is what I'll be using to form the rose at this satin. And here I have my medium gun stay. Okay, all right, so I'll be cutting out this gun stay, double of it, to make this to be firm. Okay, all right, then this, the length do not really matter. It just depend on how full you want yours to be. Okay, so I'll just go ahead. This is supposed to be a very short and quick one, so I'll be using this to cut out the roundness of my sleeve. Okay, so I'll just put this way. So you can feel free to get what is bigger than this. Like I say, it just depends on what you want. Just make, okay, I'll just remove this and I'll cut this out. Okay, so after cutting it out, I have this. Okay, so no need of cutting the second one. So what I would just do is to use this now to cut out my gum stay. Okay, all right. Okay, so here I have double of this. So I'll just use the tool to gum this to gum it up here. Okay, then after that I can now place it this way, then stitch it round before sketching it. I won't be cutting out this before lining it up. I'll just place it like that, and so they now cut it out. Okay, all right, so quickly I'll just go to the machine now, and so I use my iron now to gum this together. Okay, okay, now I've ironed it out, so I placed it on the fabric again so that I can sew it round for the lining. So I'll just follow this round now and sew it up. Okay, so after sewing it round now, I'll just carefully sketch this out and remove the excess parts. Okay, so this is what I have. So I'll just turn it out now. Then just make sure that I'm holding only the lining part. Okay, so I'll open it up this way. Okay, then from here I will turn it inside out. So for the strip that I'll be using to form the rose, I'll just bend it and then close it up. Okay, all right. Okay, so after stitching this up, the next thing I will do is to mark where I'll be sewing round. Okay, so this is what I mean. So I'm starting somewhere here. Okay, so I'll just mark it round. So I'll just go this way. So when I'm reaching here, instead of joining it out, I'll go inside this way, then I'll go around again. You can also decide to measure, but you can also use your hand to do the sketching. Okay, you see what I'm doing? So there is no place that it will be joining. So I'll just go this way round. Okay, so now I will start my stitching from those points. So I'll sew round this way. Okay, I'll place it this way and I'll start my stitching. I'll be making a little bit of pleats inside it, so I'll be going it round the way I just made the round lace. That is where I'll be sewing it till I reach to this point. Okay, so I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So this is how I'll be going around. Then I'll be making a little pleat. Okay, just to beautify it. I'll just continue this way till the end. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is the result of our rose. As you can see, it comes out very beautiful, and I would like you to try yours. It's so easy. Okay, so thank you for watching till the end, till we meet in my next class. So you can just attach this either to the body of the dress or at the sleeve, anywhere you decide to do it. Thank you. Bye.